welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya and welcome to another video of Diwalog 2020. I hope you guys are doing good. So today's video is going to be a different one, and before I start with today's video, if you guys haven't participated in the giveaway, check out the rules in the description box and participate in the giveaway. So let's begin with today's video. Now today's video is going to be unboxing with me video. So basically in this video I'll be unboxing some cute hampers which I've received during this month, and it will be really fun. You guys will also unbox with me, so you can also see what all things I have in those hampers. And let's just begin with the first. I am doing this unboxing video for the first time, and do let me know if you guys enjoyed it. Also please ignore the sound of crackers. It's Diwali and I can't help it. So yeah, I hope the sound quality turns out good. So the first hamper which I have is from this brand known as Oi Happy. So it is a customized gifting company. So basically I got this hamper because I had to create content around it, so they have sent this hamper. And also if you are not following me on my Instagram, do check it out there. I have posted the video there and you can just see it. Okay, so the first thing which I have got is this one. It's the Stars Above Us frame. So it came with this gift wrap, which is really cool because you don't need to get it additionally wrapped. So I'll just show you how this frame looks like. Look at this. So here the name is written Trupti and Shreya. So Trupti is basically my mom's name and Shreya is me. So what happens in this Stars Above Us frame, that you can choose any two person. You can like have your name, your friend's name, your parents' name, your better half's name, anyone, and they will make this star thing. Like you have to mention the date, like your special date. For your friend it can be the day when you met, or for your parents it could be their anniversary. I have given the name of mom and me, and the date is when I was born. So here it's written that the sky when you were born. And this is how they frame it. They make connections with the stars and tell you like what connection your stars have. So yeah, and you can also see here's my birth date, 17 Feb 1999, birth time, birthplace, and here's a little message. So yeah, it's really cool and it's a really good gifting option. I loved this one. So yeah, this is the first thing. So there was one thing from them. I have other gifts from them too, but before we unbox them, let's have a look at another cute hamper. Look at this. This is from Bioderma. They have sent me this Diwali hamper. Look at the box. Really obsessed with it. I love polka dots and this color. Oh my god, look at this. I am going to keep this box forever. So let me just open it. They have sent me a greeting also. Like look at this, Happy Diwali, and they have this message written like here. Look at this, really cute. And then they have sent me this Bioderma micellar, and I love this. I have approximately more than 7 bottles of Bioderma by this time because I really love it. I use it almost every day. It's really good if you have sensitive skin also. Doesn't even burn your skin, doesn't have alcohol. Really good cleanser and a makeup remover. I would recommend it, not because they have sent me this thing. I have been using this since years. You can see my videos, like I always use this because it's really good. You'll understand it when you use it once. So yeah, that is about it. Bioderma always sends the most attractive packages. Love them. So yeah, that was about this one. Now let's unbox another one. Let's unbox this hamper by My Glam. So if you are not following me on my Instagram, go check it out. I am now a part of Glam family, like My Glam family. I'm a Glamzo creator. So basically My Glam is a company by Manish Malhotra. If you don't know, you will be knowing already. So yeah, this is their box which I received a few days back, like 1 or 2 days back. So I'll show you what all things it has. It has a lot of things, like I just loved it, and I'm going to show you all of them. Also, if you want to buy anything from this, like they have really good makeup and skincare products, I'll leave a link in the description. You will get discount if you use that link, and also I'll leave another link by which you can get a free lipstick. You just need to fill the form and you'll get the free lipstick. So I'll mention both the links in the description box, so make sure you check that out and get a free lipstick. It's really a good chance. So yeah, I'm going to show you all the products that I have, and if you use the link which I have mentioned, you'll get some % off, and also you'll get 150 or 200 wallet amount flat. So that's a really good deal. Do check that out. So in this box, the first thing that I have is 2 sheet masks. So this is the Glow Brightening Sheet Mask. So these are 2 sheet masks that I have. Which I've got is this one. It's the My Glam Glow 2 Glamour 2-in-1 Fixing Plus Shimmer Powder. I love the packaging. The golden vibe is just amazing. Look at this. I'm just going to show you. Look at this. Look at the packaging, you guys. It's amazing. So basically you get a shimmer powder as well as a fixing powder, both in one, which is amazing. Also you get this buffs along with it. Like look at this. And for another 2, like when you open this here, really good. And I haven't yet used this one because I received it just 1 day back, but I'm definitely going to use this. Another thing which I have got is this lipstick by My Glam. It's the My Glam Lit Lipstick. It's this one, and I've got this really pretty shade. Like look at this. Look at this. Also you can get this lipstick for free. It's for 400 rupees. If you click the link which I have mentioned, you'll get this lipstick for free. So do check that out, and you should have it. Like this is amazing. The next item that we have in this box is a nail paint, and this nail paint is purple, like shimmery purple in color. Let me just focus. So this is how the color looks like. Again, it's a pretty color, like looks really good. Look at this. So I'm not a person who does a lot of nail paints, but yeah, I'll try this out. Then I'll tell you guys how it is. Next thing which we have is this kajal pencil. So I swatched it when this arrived, and it's so pigmented, you guys. Like you'll understand from the color itself, it's too good. Now this one is for 750, which is pricey, too pricey for a kajal, but again it's worth. So I hope you guys are able to see. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Look at this. It's pretty pigmented. And the last product that we have in this box is again my favorite. So it's a 2-in-1 product. I love this thing about My Glam. Like they provide 2-in-1 things a lot, and it's really useful. Look, I'm not able to open. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So this one is a 2-in-1 eyeliner plus a brow powder. So I'm gonna show you. One side it has eyeliner, one side it has brow powder. So this is how the brow powder looks like. Look, it's brownish in color. Like it will match the natural eyebrow color, sorry. And the another thing which we have is eyeliner. Color of this eyeliner, it's olive shade. Like it's not black eyeliner, it's a kind of brownish eyeliner. I'm definitely going to try this out because this products I haven't tried. So yeah, and this one is for 1095 rupees. So yeah, those were all the products in this box. I love this box so much. I am definitely going to create a look using these products on my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, do check it out. I'll just be uploading that now there. It's time for another gift from Oi Happy. So do you see this gift wrap? The material of the gift wrap is even so good. Like it's thick material, And now let me just open it. I'll show you guys what's inside. It's really close. Look at this. So can you guys see the date? 17/02/1999. So this is my birth date, and they have included my pictures in the birth date. Like, look at this. I'm going to give you a close-up. So these are my pictures, and if you guys have seen my Instagram, you already know these pictures. So this is really great. I love, here it's written happy birthday. I love this frame. You can also gift this to someone whose birthday is near. You can also customize this. Instead of happy birthday, you can write anything, happy anniversary or something, any special date. So yeah, you can get this done for your loved ones also. I love this one so much. And now let's move to another hamper. So here's another hamper from Oi Happy again. So basically these things I had to create something, that's why it's provided. So yeah, this hamper has lot of things. Like, look at this. So basically this site is for gifting. Like, you can gift customized gifts. That's why it has different kinds of gifts which you can gift to anyone. Count the number of gift I spoke in this sentence. Okay, so first this gift is known as 7 gifts, 7 promises. So there are small cute 7 gifts in this one. So one is this love-o-meter. So you get this, you know, eraser and marker, and you can, you know, draw meters and do that thing. I guess everyone knows that. And now another which I have, like, basically it has a mix of cute things. Here are, you know, cheesy quotes written. Like, look at this, boarding passes. Like, there are different look at this. So basically it's for your better half. You can gift them these things, and on 7 gifts there are 7 letters. So yeah, also there's chocolate and cute little things. I'll show you. Wait, look at this. Look at this. It's cute and it has chocolate. So basically you get, you know, 7 things like this. Cards, then you have mirror. So yeah, those are the 7 things that you get in this, and I just love it. I'll insert a picture of all the 7 things so you can have a close look, because if I show you in this manner you won't be able to see them. So I'll insert a close-up. So yeah, these were all the hampers which I had, and I just loved unboxing them with you guys. Also, let me know if you love this kind of videos, then I'll be frequently doing it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Goodbye.